Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this tablet. You need to begin by locating voice recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now select while using the app in the pop-up. Click on Allow and tap on one of those modes at the top, Standard or Speech to Text. When you're ready, click on this red button to start your recording. Then tap on Allow one more time. As you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same middle button. In order to add a bookmark, click on this bookmark icon. And if you wish to end it and save it, tap on the square button on the right. Then name your recording however you wish to. And click on Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to play it, click on it. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it. Select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to manage even more recording options, select those three dots next to voice recorder. Tap on Settings and adjust all of them however you want to, like recording quality. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!